Hello, Tech Buzz, new product in from Jabra, and this time we have got the Active 4, the Elite 4 Active. And as you can see here, we've done the 3, the 7 and the 7 Elite. We're almost done with our review on the 7 Active, so stay tuned for that soon on techbuzzoil.com. But now we're looking at this, which is another cheaper alternative. So you can see here, Jabra have something for everyone in the price range, and that's pretty much how they've brought this new portfolio of earbuds out, which is pretty nice to see. So let's have a look and see what these look like in comparison to the previous 3. So on the box is familiar. It looks identical to the 7, the Elite 7. And on the back, designed for a secure fit, active noise cancellation and adjustable hear through, up to 7 hours battery, 28 hours with case and fast charge. You've got Spotify tap, Alexa built in, fast pair and quad time aptX, Sweatproof with IP57 rated rubber 2-year warranty, 4 microphone call technology, and punchy bass and powerful speakers to boost your workout. So in comparison here, there's a slight difference in between them, and you know, you've got a little bit more battery life on these ones here, same IP rating and all that kind of stuff there, active noise cancellation, and it's pretty much a lot the same, but there is some differences too at the same time. So you're not going to be losing out on too many features, even though you're paying less. You're still going to get a good pair of earbuds, as always with Jabra. So let's take them out of the box and have a look up close. So with the usual packaging here, you can see you get to download the Soundproof app, which is brilliant. And you have got your get started guide and all that kind of stuff in there. So that's good to see that these have got app access, and it works well on both Android and iOS. So let's take these out here and have a look. So underneath, you're going to get your typical books, which probably nobody reads these days. You will get your cable and your tips in here, and I do hate bursting these open, but it has to be done. So there's your tips there, and there's your cable in there, and it's got a nice blue cable to match, which is nice, USB-A to USB-C. So I like that the cable matches the actual earbuds. And onto the actual product, so I'm just going to pop all that aside. So you've got this writing on here, get ANC hear through or more with the latest Sound Plus app and all that kind of stuff, which we will always do with our full review as always. So here we go here, it's a nice navy kind of colour. I'll just bring it in a little bit closer there so you can see, and it's kind of similar to the Elite 7, but the case is also similar to this one here, but bigger. So that's what you have there on that. And when we open up, you can see that you've got this nice matte kind of finish on it. It's really nice. It's actually quite similar to this 7. So I'm just pop off these little bits of tape here first of all, and get them out of the way and pop them back in, and see you've got your green light up on front there. So let's have a look. Pretty solid in there, not bad. And you can see here they got these mics on the side here and that, and both sides, which look really cool. And you do have an LED on the earbud itself there, as you can see coming on there. And when you close it, you have your LED up front. So let's take them out and have a look. So that's what they're going to look like there in the flesh. Again, you've got a matte kind of finish. I love this colour as well. Easy colour to maintain, and you've got left and right, and you've got your connection points there. So while we have the rest of these out, we want to have a look at this Elite 7. So you can see there is a bit of a difference there on the shape on the Elite 7. You can check out the unboxing on the site, full review coming up shortly. And you've got a similar approach here with the grills on the side there, and on the Elite 7 Pro you can see you've got a different kind of finish there, And you do have the clicky buttons on these, which is cool. It's the same as on this. You've got the clicky button there, and of course you've got the same on that, but it's actually covered on this here, as you can see, with this blue kind of rubberized material. And you've got the same on this here, and it's a nice material and it's very effective as well. But these have a more prominent Jabra label there than these. As you can see the difference here, you can hardly see it due to the colour. And of course down to the Elite, which is the entry level. That's what they look like compared to the Elite. So all pretty much a similar kind of shape and size, and that's what they look like there in the flesh. So what we'll do is the usual, we'll take them off for test and let you know what they sound like and all that kind of stuff, and check them out with the app, as we always do, and we'll have a full hands-on review soon. That's just a quick first look and unboxing to give you an idea of what they look like and how they compare to their previous models in their new portfolio. And that's what you're going to get there. So you can kind of see these two are kind of gone darker and these two are kind of similar, and kind of similar case design as well, mixed in between them, as you can see between these two and these two, and then again with these here. But that's basically it and what you're going to get on the Elite 4 Active. And any questions, of course, hit us up below and we'll gladly answer them for you. And takeaway, it's probably the biggest case out of them all when it comes to height wise, and that's really about it. But we'll see more later in the review when we get a full hands-on look and see how they sound, because that's what people mostly want to know. But that's just giving you a quick idea of what they look like anyway out of the box for first look and unboxing, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.